Urgent investigation to verify his status and procure equipment. CRC actual update. Security lockdown in effect at the checkpoint. Responders should lift lockdown if possible. Intel suggests operational equipment within the armory.
Folks near the gas station. Pumps are tripping the breakers. Get them fixed and repower the place so you can get to the gear in there. Need it, so move fast. We see somebody made it into the lookout tower. We'd lost contact with the ranger there. I hope he was able to spare some gear because we need all the help we can get.
Some Magnum ammo.
CRC Actual to responders at the train station. The cargo manifest shows a car with contents capable of neutralizing contaminants in the area. If you're able to clear the chemicals, you'll gain access to the sub-level storage equipment cache. Power plant security override has been activated. Responders, proceed to the plant entrance and open the gate.
Using these meds.
There's a thumper. I'm healing. Cover me. Healing up here. Using these meds. Eyes up. I gotta heal. Rounds are good. Bunch of ammo.
Lockdown lifted at the checkpoint. Armory now accessible.
Eyes up, I gotta heal. Healing up here.
Be advised, the security system is blocking the path further into the plant. Responders, find the security chief and use his access codes to end the lockdown at a security panel. Responders, you've recovered the security lockdown codes. Now, take them to a security access point and stand by for orders. CRC actual update. Power plant lockdown has been disabled. All entrances now accessible. CRC actual update. Responders have entered the plant. Remaining responders, priority 1. Gain access to the facility immediately. CRC actual update. We are seeing damage to the plant stacker reclaimer. Approach and action repairs immediately.
Reloading. Fresh med kit. Could be a while till we see another one of those.
Responders, you've made the key repairs, but you gotta get inside the control center and reboot the plant systems. Great work so far. Just get it restarted and we'll dispatch your extraction.
Control center is now accessible. Responders, access control center to restart plant systems ASAP.
Gonna reload. A melee weapon.
Responders, locate the main console inside the control center. Coordinate your actions to keep the systems operating within acceptable bounds to accelerate the restart process.
Just gonna reload. Feeling the gun! Pull up. Gonna reload. Gotta load this up. Brendan died.
Good on rounds.
Reload it real quick! Feed in the gun! Hold up! Reload it! Hold up, gotta reload.
Confirming successful execution of a Black Start within the Cygnus power plant. Readings normalizing. Stand by.
Yes, you did it. I can see power stabilizing already. Time to go home. Just one more minute we're deploying your evac.
Bravo is en route. Responders, make your way to the extraction zone.
There. Heroes coming now, responders. Make for your exfil zone and get ready to go.
Just gonna reload. I gotta reload! Gotta reload.
Here you go. Head down. Lay down.
Tendrils, hold on.
Responders, time to extract. Get moving.
He's there. Get to the helicopter.
Head down! Bombs away!
Everybody got out. Outstanding work, responders. We needed a win like this. Looking forward to seeing you back at base.
Bravo executed a full extraction. RTB immediately for debrief.